Are you looking for a reliable and secure way to convert Zimbra TGZ files into MBOX format? WholeClear TGZ to MBOX converter is a powerful solution designed to help users export Zimbra mailbox data into Thunderbird-compatible MBOX files quickly and accurately. Key features of TGZ to MBOX conversion: clean and intuitive user interface, designed for both technical and non-technical users to ensure smooth operation. Preserves data integrity. Maintains original email formatting, attachments, metadata, and folder structure. Complete data migration. Ensures all Zimbra mailbox items are accurately converted to MBOX files. Accessible on all Windows versions. Fully compatible with all major Windows operating systems. Step-by-step guide to export Zimbra emails to Thunderbird MBOX. Step 1. Download and launch the WholeClear TGZ to MBOX converter. Step 2. Select Zimbra TGZ as the email source format. Step 3. Choose either file mode or folder mode and add the TGZ files. Step 4. Select MBOX as the output file format. Step 5. Choose to create a single MBOX file or multiple MBOX files for each TGZ. Step 6. Click the Browse button to specify the destination location. Step 7. Click Convert Now to start the conversion process. By following these simple steps, users can quickly export Zimbra mailbox data into Thunderbird-compatible MBOX files. The entire process completes efficiently without any technical complexity. For more query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.